9 out of 10 car owners have no idea these simple car hacks even exist. And the crazy part is, one of them could literally save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in repairs. Even better, you can do almost all of these yourself without ever visiting a mechanic. So don't skip. If you want to save money, watch till the end. Let's begin. Hack number 15. Apple for windshield cleaning. You're driving and suddenly the windshield gets hazy. You turn on your wipers, but they just smear the film even worse. Most people grab expensive cleaners, but a simple apple works better. Cut an apple in half and rub the inside across the windshield. The malic acid creates a water-repelling lotus effect that helps dirt and grime come off easily. Cost $1. Professional windshield cleaning $15 to $30. Easy win. Hack number 14. Toothpaste for light scratches. You see a new scratch on your car and your heart sinks. Body shops charge $75 to $150 for scratch removal, but whitening toothpaste can fix light scratches. Steps: wash and dry the area, apply a small amount of toothpaste, rub in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds, wipe clean. If your fingernail catches in the scratch, it's too deep. Otherwise, this $3 trick saves you $150. Hack number 13. Nail polish for paint chips. A rock hits your hood, ping! Tiny chip, but big trouble later. If you ignore it, rust spreads fast. Clear nail polish seals the exposed metal and stops rust. You can also use colored polish to match your paint. Cost $2. Professional touch-up $50 to $200. Easy win. Hack number 12. WD-40 for squeaky hinges. That embarrassing squeak when you open your car door isn't harmless. It's a warning sign of a drying hinge. Spray a little WD-40, swing the door a few times, wipe the excess. Squeak gone instantly. New hinges cost $100 to $300 per door. A $6 can of WD-40 prevents all that. Hack number 11. Oily olive oil for dashboard shine. Dashboard looking dull and faded? Before buying expensive detail sprays, try olive oil. Put a small drop on a cloth and rub gently in circular motions. It restores moisture and shine naturally. Just don't over-apply. Olive oil, $5. Interior spray, $10 to $15 every month. Hack number 10. Paintbrush for air vents. Your air vents are full of dust, but normal cloths can't reach inside. A $2 paintbrush or old makeup brush works perfectly. Soft bristles reach narrow slats and remove dust instantly. For sticky grime, add a bit of all-purpose cleaner. Professional interior detailing, $150. DIY cost, $2. Hack number 9. Cleaning slime for tight spaces. Crumbs, dust, coins, and dirt stuck around your console and buttons? Slime grabs everything. Press it into cracks and watch it pull out years of hidden dirt. Buy for $8 to $10 or make it yourself for $2. Hack number 8. Vaseline for door seals. Winter morning, you try to open your car and the door is frozen shut. Pull harder and the rubber seal can tear. That's a $100 to $300 repair. Rub a thin layer of Vaseline on door seals every few months. It keeps rubber soft, prevents freezing, and stops cracking. Cost $3. Repair cost $300. Easy choice. Hack number 7. Replace your cabin air filter yourself. Weak AC or musty smell? Your cabin air filter needs replacing. It takes 5 minutes and is usually behind the glove box. DIY filter cost $15 to $25. Mechanic cost $40 to $80. Same job, unnecessary labor fee. Hack number 6. Color coding your engine bay. Opening your hood can feel overwhelming. So many hoses and reservoirs. Use colored tape to mark each fluid. Blue for coolant, red for brake fluid, green for washer fluid, yellow for oil dipstick. You'll never put the wrong fluid in again. One mistake can cause thousands in engine damage. Colored tape, $5. Potential repair, $1,000 plus. Hack number 5. Shoe organizer for backseat chaos. If you have kids, your backseat is probably a war zone. Hang a cheap shoe organizer behind the front seats. Toys, snacks, books, wipes, bottles. Everything has a pocket. Car stays clean, kids stay busy. Cost $10. Professional organizers, $50 to $100.
Hack number 4. Pool noodle for garage protection.
Tight garage? You open your door and bam, straight into the wall. Cut a pool noodle in half, mount it on the wall, and your door hits soft foam instead of drywall. Noodle cost $2. Dent repair $75 to $150 per ding. Instant protection.
Hack number 3. Tennis ball parking guide.
Frozen lock? Don't pour hot water, that makes it worse. Put hand sanitizer on your key and insert it. The alcohol melts ice instantly. Cost $2. Locksmith $150 to $300.
Hack number 2. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. Frozen lock? Don't pour hot water, that makes it worse. Put hand sanitizer on your key and insert it. The alcohol melts ice instantly. Cost $2. Locksmith $150 to $300. Hack number 1. Newspaper for sticker removal.
Removing old stickers sucks. Scraping damages glass and leaves residue. Instead, soak newspaper in water and press it over the sticker for 15 minutes. The adhesive softens and the sticker peels off clean. Cost? Free. Professional sticker removal? $20 to $40. How many of these did you already know? Which hack surprised you the most? Comment below. If this video saved you money or gave you hacks you never knew existed, hit like, subscribe, and watch the next video on your screen right now for more mechanic secrets that could save you thousands.